All right, good morning, boys. It is up. Today is Friday, February 13th. Quick trade recap for you boys. Made $8,000 today trading. Not all of it is even XFAs, right? 5,000 on eval and 3,000 on a combination of evals with one XFA with Top Step. I made $900 on that account, and then I made $400 across five XFAs with, or sorry, not XFAs, Lucid Flex evals. So my evals are at $2,000. I'm gonna look to pass them next Tuesday because Monday's a bank holiday. So next Tuesday I'm gonna be looking to pass my 50Ks, get max allocation on Lucid, have my max allocation, which is one account on Top Step, and then have max allocation on Alpha Futures as well, which I passed one account and then made 800 on two more because I don't know why I just didn't get filled well on CPI. But essentially coming to market open today, 4-hour chart was extremely bearish. Look at this, nothing is bullish about this, right? We have a 4-hour unfilled gap above us, but I don't really care about it. If you look at the daily time frame, right, we clearly want this daily low, which is also previous week's low. That is a strong draw on liquidity. If we look at our session indicator, you could see pre-market we sweep London highs with CPI. We fail to take out Asian highs, but on ES, what do? We take out Asian highs. So pre-market we do have a bearish SMT with the S&P at Asian highs. From there we push lower. We have this 15-minute bullish gap. Do we ever actually displace from it and get a valid reaction? No. We trade in it for like 30 minutes and do nothing, right? In my opinion, that is no longer a valid fair value gap to even consider, right? What do I see? I see we have a bearish 5-minute gap right here. We have data lows below us, and we have this draw on liquidity as well, right? We also have previous week's low resting below us. So what do I look for? I look for a short entry at market open. Well, first I straddled CPI, so I entered like here, and then I took a short at market open, targeting data lows with my stops up here. This is the first trade. It was literally just based off 0.705 of the range, like that. Not limit order, but I market ordered a bearish reaction, got stopped out, re-entered short when price traded down here, targeting this low, and immediately made my money back and some more. We were ending up $400, $450 per account, except for Top Step because I was up $500 last night trading Asia, right? So shorts there. Another trade I really liked, in my opinion, what is A plus, is this one right here. So this low, you can do 33, 33 for a 1-to-1 risk reward, just like that. This is a great short. Obvious draw on liquidity right here. Another short that I also thought was obvious. There was a lot of obvious short entries today, right? Essentially, this break right here, you create an order block, stops above the order block, TP at this low right here. This is a great trade. What's another good trade? Literally 2 minutes after that, you create another order block. So any order block formation from 9:34 to 9:40 a.m. was all clean, right? Order block formation, stops above the high, TP at the low. This is the valid short. After this, I don't really like anything, right? A lot of you guys take trades like this, like, oh, liquidity sweep, 1-minute IFEG, targeting data high. A lot of people take trades like this. Like, I'm pretty sure Dodgy, like, bro, Dodgy definitely took this shit. Maybe Blake took this shit. I don't trade this way. I'm not a fan of it at all. I understand it works for a lot of people, but liquidity sweep IFEG is not going to work 50% of the time if you're just trading it with no actual bias or judgment, right? If you're trading it with the actual trend, then by all means do it, but don't expect this to work every day, right? Trade with the trend is your friend, and you'll bank, bro. With that being said, I have to go. So any questions, feel free to comment them. Free Discord link is gonna be in bio. Any questions you guys have, just ask. I'll be there to answer. Hope you guys have a blessed day. Trade safe, and I'll see you boys tomorrow. Peace out.